In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into TradingView step by step so you can access your charts and tools besahulet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your web browser and go to tradingview.com. Once the website loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. A login window will appear where you can enter your email address and password. Type in your details carefully and then click Sign In to access your account. You can also log in using Google, Facebook, or Apple if you connected those options earlier, which makes the process even faster. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and follow the steps to create one. It only takes a minute and gives you access to TradingView features. If you forget your password, just click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. That's it. Now you know how to log into TradingView and access your account anytime. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.